Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This video is about Control R, which is actually repeat. It'll repeat anything you just did. Like if you take this zero and you make it 50%. Well, let's make a new one, hitting the plus key. If you hit Control R, it's gonna not make a duplicate, it just move it over that same distance. I've never really used it too much. But lately I've discovered, let's say you don't have this group together and you want to fill in these three, and you want to, now very easily on this one, you could select it because you're not selecting the whole thing and you can nudge it over. But let's say you didn't. If you'll take that top one and move it over, and I've seen people do this, and I'm going, and then they'll move this one. Well, if you hit this and then hit Control R, it moves it the same distance as before. So it'll save a lot of time doing that. And same thing here. I mean, if you take, let's use a different color just to make it different. And if, say, if we move this blue one just to here, and let's say you did that correctly, and then you go Control R, it's just going to move it that same distance that you moved the other one in relation to where it was. So think about that next time you're having to move something and you want to move them all off the page. I mean, the best thing always to do is just to grab it, but sometimes you can't grab it all, and this would be pretty beneficial. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of insight, and thank you for watching.